So, hello student, in last lecture we discussed digital forensics, the steps which are available in digital forensics. Next, also we discussed the things which are related to the chain custody of a digital forensics. So, digital forensics, it is a concept with the help of that we are going to provide a legal proofs and that evidences says that the particular person is criminal or not. Now, next one is network forensics. So, it is the implementation of smoothing, recording, acquisition, and analysis of network traffic and event logs to investigate a network security. The recording of network traffic involves a lot of resources, and it is often not possible to record all the data which is to be flow through the network due to the large volume. Again, this recorded data which is need to be back up a free recording media and for future analysis. So the analysis of recorded data, it is the most critical and time consuming task. There are many automated analysis tools for forensic purpose, but they are insufficient as that there are no foolproof method to recognize the bogus traffic generated by an attacker. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are means what, cyber inspector, what they are going to analyze that. Here we are going to identify the network traffic, who is going to create that network traffic, what we can say that dummy network traffic, or from where the information or traffic which is to be generated source we have to identify. Network forensics, it is necessary in order to determine the type of attack over a network and to trace the culprit. A proper investigation process, it required to produce the evidence recovered during the investigation in the court of law. So here the network traffic, in that the cyber inspector has to prove and find out the originator of that particular network traffic. So network forensic challenges are intelligence network forensic tools, data extraction locations, access to IP address, data privacy, data integrity, data storage on the network devices, high speed data transmission. So, these are the things which are related to the network forensics. Okay, thank you.